What just happened to crypto? In the last 24 hours, we've witnessed the single largest liquidation event in crypto history. A staggering $19.1 billion wiped out and 1.6 million traders liquidated. Bitcoin crashed from 122K to 106K in minutes before stabilizing at 113K, while some altcoins plummeted 90%. Yet somehow, the fear and greed index is still at 54.66. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this is not just another crash. This is a fundamental market reset that could change everything. Welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we decode market moves that matter. If you're new here, I provide actionable intelligence for strategic crypto investors. Today's flash update is critical. We're dissecting what I'm calling the liquidation apocalypse. That's literally bigger than COVID, Luna, and FTX combined. Let's start with the trigger. President Trump announced a shocking 100% additional tariff threat on Chinese imports starting November 1st. This geopolitical bombshell sent tremors through all risk markets, but crypto's leverage problem turned tremors into an earthquake. Here's what happened next. A domino effect of forced liquidations as leverage positions collapsed, creating the perfect storm. $19.1 billion liquidated in 24 hours, 1.6 million traders wiped out, 87% of liquidations were long positions, largest single liquidation, $203 million on Hyperliquid. This wasn't just a dip, this was the market equivalent of a nuclear explosion. Let's assess the damage across the market. Bitcoin fell from 122K to 106K before recovering to 113K, down 6.62%. Ethereum took a harder hit, down 11.86% to 3,948. BNB dropped 9.26% to 1,134. XRP crashed 12.77% to 244. But that's just the blue chips. The real devastation happened in alts. Memo coins obliterated, down 30.76%. DeFi tokens crushed, down 29.32%. L2 ecosystem hammered, down 24%. The market lost $400 billion in total value within hours. But here's where it gets fascinating. This wasn't just destruction. It was the ultimate stress test for crypto infrastructure. AAVE processed this historic liquidation cascade absolutely flawlessly, proving DeFi's resilience under maximum pressure. Even more revealing, Ethena's USDE stablecoin depegged to 62 cents on Binance before fully recovering to $100. This real-world stress test validated which protocols actually work under extreme conditions. This is crucial information for serious investors. The market just showed us which infrastructure is anti-fragile, getting stronger under stress rather than breaking. Now for the most perplexing part of this whole event. Despite this historic carnage, the fear and greed index remains at 54.66, still in greed territory. Why? Because smart money sees this as the ultimate leverage flush, clearing out unhealthy market positioning and creating the foundation for sustainable growth. The market is telling us something profound through this paradox. So where do we go from here? Three potential scenarios. Base case, 70% probability. Stabilization followed by selective recovery as the market digests this leverage flush. Institutions buy quality assets at discount while weaker projects die off. Bearish case, 20%. A secondary crash wave if Trump escalates tariff threats or regulation cracks down on leverage, pushing Bitcoin below 100K. Bullish case, 10%. Explosive recovery as institutional capital floods into buy the blood now that toxic leverage has been cleared, potentially pushing Bitcoin to new highs within weeks. The key to navigating this is focusing on battle-tested infrastructure over speculation. The liquidation apocalypse we just witnessed isn't just another crash. It's a fundamental market reset separating utility from speculation. AAVE's flawless performance, USD's recovery, and the paradoxical strength in sentiment all point to something bigger happening beneath the surface. I'll be monitoring this situation closely with another update in 12 hours. If you found this analysis valuable, hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay ahead of these market-moving events. This is Alex from Moonward Capital. Remember, in times of crisis, information is your most valuable asset. See you in the next Pulse.